A mindful reset for calm and clarity. Welcome to this mindful reset, a gentle way to reset your week with calm, clarity, and quiet intention. Right now, there's nothing to do but simply arrive here. Let go of whatever this morning has already brought you, and allow these next few minutes to ground you in stillness. Take a deep breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale and slowly exhale. Let your breath guide you home to this moment. As you breathe, bring your attention to your body. Notice how it feels today, without judgment. Allow your shoulders to drop. Unclench your jaw. Soften your forehead. You don't have to carry everything through this week. Let the weight melt for now, and feel the earth beneath you, holding you steady. Breathe in. Feel spaciousness. Breathe out. Let go of tension. Feel your breath as a quiet rhythm, your anchor. Now, in the gentle space of your breath, bring your attention to your heart. Ask yourself softly, what energy do I want to carry forward through this week? You don't need to analyze it. Just listen. Maybe it's peace. Maybe it's strength. Maybe it's trust, love, focus, or lightness. Whatever word or feeling rises up for you, let it settle gently in your heart. As you breathe in, breathe that intention in. Let it fill you as if it were light. And as you exhale, release anything that no longer serves you. You can silently say, I welcome peace, calm, clarity. Through this week, I show peace, calm, clarity, or whatever is true for you. Now gently imagine the rest of your week unfolding before you, like a soft path stretching forward. Let that path be calm, spacious, filled with moments of peace, awareness, and presence. With every breath, imagine yourself walking this week with ease. Now, softly repeat these affirmations in your mind, or simply let them wash over you. I begin this week with calm. I trust my inner wisdom. I do not rush. I move with presence. I welcome peace into my day. I carry my intention with quiet strength. Breathe with each one, letting it settle in your body like a seed. I journey through this week with calm. I trust in my inner wisdom. I do not rush. I move with presence. I welcome peace into every day. I carry my intention with quiet strength. As we come to the end of this meditation, gently return your awareness to your breath, to the room around you, and to this moment. Let your intention remain with you, quiet, grounded, and alive inside you. Know that this week doesn't need to be perfect, only present, only real, only yours. Take one final deep breath, and when you're ready, softly open your eyes. Go gently into your day and carry this peace with you.